I am Dr. V.K. Rajoria. I am Director of Neurosurgery and Spine Surgery at Bensubs Hospital, Dwarka. Today I will be discussing about a very important topic, that is brain tumor. Brain tumor is probably the most terrifying diagnosis for a patient and his loved ones. But the right information, diagnosis at a right time, using the right technology will give the superior results. What is brain tumor? We know that the cells multiply in the body. When there is an unrestricted, uncontrolled multiplication of the cells in the brain, it gives rise to a growth which is called as brain tumor. We do not know what is the exact cause of these brain tumors, although many theories have been put forward. Usually people think that brain tumor is only a disease of the old age or young people, but the brain tumors can also affect the children. Brain tumors are of two types: cancerous brain tumors and non-cancerous brain tumors. There is no need to be scared because of the brain tumor. With the early diagnosis and the good surgery, the results can be very good. Usually the brain tumor presents with severe headache, vomiting, seizures, paralysis on one side of the body, or the speech problem. How we diagnose brain tumors? We use CT scan, MRI scans, PET scan, SPECT scans to diagnose the brain tumors. If it is a non-cancerous kind of brain tumor, then the surgical excision of the tumor will result in the complete cure. In a cancerous kind of brain tumors, after the surgery, patient will also need the radiotherapy and chemotherapy. The long-term survival will depend upon the grade of the tumor. Where are we heading in the future? The future lies in the gene therapy. A lot of research, you might have heard, is being done on stem cell therapy and gene therapy, and maybe the cancerous kind of brain tumors in future will also have good results. Thank you very much.